Come on in. How are
Angela
you? Good to
Lanuto
see you.
is a top-selling Hudson Valley real estate agent. Today, she's showing this 35-acre California ranch-style home in Salt Point to New York City-based real estate broker Irene Guanil, who's here scouting Hudson Valley properties for her New York City clients.
And also the peacefulness. I mean, you're definitely not hearing sirens or fire trucks over here.
Due to the COVID-19 pandemic, Angela has seen an uptick in interest from New York City buyers looking to relocate to the Hudson Valley. A major draw for city dwellers, the beautiful natural backdrop of the Hudson Valley.
The natural light that comes in, even on a cloudy day, is something that buyers are attracted to.
Yeah, you're absolutely right. I mean, this is truly Hudson Valley living at its finest, especially giving you 90 minutes from Manhattan.
With many New York City buyers working from home, some are realizing they can keep their New York City jobs but work remotely from the Hudson Valley.
People started to reevaluate how long COVID's going to last. Now we're going into flu season and COVID is wreaking up again. So I find that in the last month, more and more people are contacting me to come up to the suburbs.
With demand high and inventory low, homes in the region are increasing in price. But for Irene's buyers, the $1.6 million price tag of this home, complete with its own regulation-sized baseball field, is a good deal.
You have to understand they're already paying this price for maybe 300 to 500 square feet. So to come up here, this is really opportunity knocks. So you mean I can have a real house with real square footage and real land and not be stuck to the noise and the pollution? So yes, this is the place to be.
After the showing, Angela took me on a ride around Rhinebeck, a hotspot town for many New York City buyers.
Rhinebeck is an adorable, just such a quaint town. It's a Hudson River town. If you want to get down to the city, you still can. It's easy. And, you know, you don't feel completely separated from society. You know, you're not like in the middle of the woods, but you still have that country feel, as you saw with the house that we looked at in Salt Point.
Angela says when COVID-19 ravaged New York City this spring, many city dwellers started to look to the Hudson Valley.
The reason being is people didn't want to be stuck in their condos. They didn't want to be stuck, you know, having to not be able to go outside. So then they said, where are we going to go? So it almost became like an escape.
In Dutchess County, Olivia Leach, Spectrum News.